The worlds of e-commerce and artificial intelligence aren't just growing anymore, they're rapidly merging, creating unprecedented opportunities. Leveraging AI is no longer a nice-to-have, it's becoming essential. It's about working smarter, not just harder. It's about unlocking new levels of efficiency, discovering winning products faster, optimizing your operations, and ultimately, scaling your online business like never before. The future of e-commerce is intelligent, and the time to get on board is now. Now, navigating this dynamic landscape requires the right tools and partners. And that's where Doba comes in. For those new to the platform, Doba is a comprehensive dropshipping solution. Doba provides a powerful supplier directory packed with vetted partners, especially strong with US-based suppliers, allowing you to offer faster shipping times and reliable service. Its platform includes intuitive listing tools, making it hassle-free to discover winning products across diverse categories, from home and garden to electronics, outdoors, pets, beauty, and much more, and easily list them on your store. Plus, Doba simplifies your workflow with seamless integrations for major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, TikTok, Temu, and others. You can manage your products, inventory, and orders all from a single, convenient dashboard. Doba is designed to streamline your dropshipping journey from start to finish. Recognizing the power of artificial intelligence to make complex processes easier, Doba has now integrated cutting-edge AI and big data technology directly into its core offering. This brings us to the launch of the Doba AI Hub. So, what exactly does the Doba AI Hub offer? It features 3 intelligent tools designed to tackle key challenges in your dropshipping journey. First, the AI Store Builder. Perfect for beginners. If setting up a Shopify store feels daunting, this tool is your fast track. It provides step-by-step guidance to build and launch a professional-looking store in record time. The best part, Doba AI automatically styles it with a theme and even lists 10 initial, AI-selected products, so you're practically ready to go from day one. Second, meet the AI Product Finder. Tired of endless searching for winning products? Simply tell the AI your niche or preferences, and it serves up smart, personalized product recommendations. Discover relevant items faster and easily save them to your inventory or list them directly to your store, saving you valuable time. And third, the AI Auto Lister. Keep your store fresh and dynamic effortlessly. Connect your store, define your preferences, and Doba AI will automatically list popular, relevant products at regular intervals. It's like having an AI assistant continuously curating and updating your store's inventory for you. These 3 tools work together to provide a significantly smoother and more intelligent dropshipping experience. Getting started with the Doba AI Hub is incredibly simple. Just head over to Doba. Once you're on the homepage or logged into your dashboard, look for the AI Hub section. You'll see options for the AI Store Builder, AI Product Finder, and AI Auto Lister. Simply click on the tool you want to explore. You'll likely see a button like, Try it now, or Get started. From there, just follow the intuitive, step-by-step instructions. Doba's AI will guide you through the process, whether it's building your store, finding products, or setting up automated listings. Don't let the complexities of e-commerce hold you back. It's time to work smarter, scale faster, and unlock your full potential. Let Doba's AI Hub be your intelligent partner in success. Visit Doba today, explore the AI Hub, and experience the future of dropshipping for yourself. Start building, discovering, and listing with the power of AI.